Hi, I'm Eric Petterson, and first of all, I'd like to apologize. We're at the end of our trimester in Bloomington, and because of the long weekend, I decided to get out of town with one of my friends. So I have just got back last night, and my original plan was to work on this course when I was gone, but I ended up not doing anything and taking my laptop out at all, so I'm trying to catch up today while we don't have school again. Anyways, I'm an 8th grade math teacher in Bloomington, Minnesota at Oak Grove Middle School. I teach 2 preps. I have 1 class of honors geometry, which is a class that's 2 years grade advanced. And then I have 4 classes of algebra 8, which is grade level math. And here's an example of what I have for my Moodle page right here. You can see I'm going to kind of explain that a little bit later. I've learned so much in all my classes from this program, but the one I want to specifically talk about today would be something I just learned in the last day or so. And I was watching a video when I was researching SAMR, and I watched a video that pertained to math, SAMR and math classes. And the girl mentioned that functional improvement relates to student learning, not just functional improvement in running a classroom. And I think that my Moodle page actually makes it much easier for me to run a classroom, but I'm not sure that my students are getting to the transformational levels of the SAMR taxonomy. Anyways, I'm just going to show you some examples of my Moodle page. This is what it looks like. I have some of these already hidden, and you can see I have every date. Over here I have progress bars. Each one of these bars refers or corresponds to an assignment. So each one of these little bars over here on the left-hand side corresponds to one of my assignments here. You can see I have some videos that I've made or used for the kids to help them learn how to do different things. And I have chapter 5 or unit 5, unit 6, and unit 7. And each one of these bars you can see is an assignment. And if you go down past that, I have also bars for enrichment. I had a girl who came up to me during conferences, and she wanted to take algebra, high school algebra, this summer. And her mom asked what the possibilities were. So we found out that she could take an online course this summer as long as it was certified. And because of that, I thought I'd help her out by making some enrichment so she could actually learn, do things that the class is not doing. So I put it on my Moodle page, and I have a bunch of assignments that I have there. And I even have a couple things I haven't put up yet, but I have some ideas for her that will be helpful. And the funny thing was that I found not just her, but I found that several students, or a few of my students, were actually doing the enrichment, even though I didn't give any extra credit for it. But as you can see, this is my different units that I have and how I kind of organize my course. And it works really great for me. I don't have any papers that are turned in. I have the kids have to get 100% on their score to get credit for it. But I'm not sure I get the students to the transformational levels of the SAMR taxonomy. And that's one thing that I've kind of really figured out, and that's one area that I really want to improve on.